Welcome to this tutorial video. Here I'm going to show you how to back up an Access project. So first thing we got to do, we got to make sure we are in the projects module by clicking on Go Projects. Once I'm in the projects module, you can see the backup button is here up top. So please note this backup is for the current project that we're in at this moment. If I'm in another project, I can't back up this project, and vice versa. I want to back up sample project 01, and I'm going to click on the backup button, which then opens the backup dialog box in front of me. Firstly, you can see the folder we are going to back this project up to. This is in sample project 01's root, and I'm going to keep it like that. That's where I want my backups to be. If I don't want them to be there, I can click on the browse dialog box or the browse button to open up the browse dialog box, and I can browse for a folder anywhere and add the backup there. Next is our file name. This is what we want to call the backup. As you can see, this one is called sample project 01. It uses this project's name for the backup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the date. I'm going to make it the 10th of the 12th of 07. Now on the right hand side, you can see we can include additional things to this backup. You can include your documents, your project library, your system library, or your system project. So I'm just going to add the documents to this backup. And after this, I can click the OK button to create the selected backup. Once I click the OK button, I get a confirmation box. It just asks me to confirm that I want to back up this project to the selected file, and I can then say yes, please back this up for me. Once this is done, I get a project backed up confirmation box. I can just say OK, and now if I go back to the backup, you'll see that my first backup is included in this list of backups. So let's say I want to create another one for this, and I call it 10/12/07. You will see that it becomes red because it is already in this list, and the OK button is disabled. So you cannot have two backups with the same file name. I'll just call this one then 10/12/07A, and then you can see that I can back it up. So I'm going to say OK, I don't want to include anything in this one, and I can just click the OK button. I once again get the project backed up confirmation, and I can say OK. Just quickly want to show you that they are now both in my list of backups. Okay, thank you. That is the end of this video. You can see more videos on the Desktop website, and if you have any requests, please make them there as well.